Hello everyone, this is Kenta from FLYCDI. Many customers are asking, FLYCDI products have applied for so many patents. Does these patents have any effect in advertisement? We have applied for anti-fall and scratch resistant for mobile phone screens, anti-collision, waterproofing patent. Today we test FLYCDI products to see that if it have anti-collision and anti-fall effect. Today we prepare some walnuts. The next step will be to test the screen by smashing walnuts with a hammer. Place walnuts on top of our products. When we smashing walnuts, see if our screen combo will break. So let's get started. This is a normally working product. Okay, let's smash it. Wow, as you see, the product is intact. Let's wipe off the crumbs from the walnuts to see if something is wrong with the screen. Smash another. Very good hardness. One more. Still no problems. Great hardness. This screen is compatible for RLM5 Pro. According to the test I just did, everyone should note that the quality of FLYCDI's products is excellent. Okay then, try this one. This product is compatible for Y20. We also tried a hammer with the same movement. The screen combo is still fine after the hammer strike. The display is normal. The glass is not broken. Try it again. Wow, it's shocking. The colors are still beautiful and vibrant. So let's try the different models again. These are the FLYCDI series of products. Most of FLYCDI's products are fine. The hardness of the product glass, the color display effect and the brightness are very nice. Smash few more. That's amazing. Unbelievable. It's perfectly all right. Okay.